So children, welcome to another lecture of physics. We had already taken up the zero error. I had explained to you that when the zero of the main scale and zero of vernier scale are not coinciding, then a zero error is said to occur. Additionally, there can be two cases in this, that zero error can be either positive or negative. And see children, the position of zero error is always decided, that means the value of zero error or the type of zero error is decided on the basis of whether the zero of vernier is on the right hand side of the main scale zero or whether the zero of vernier is on the left hand side of the zero of main scale. If the zero of vernier calipers is on the right hand side of the zero of the main scale, then we say a positive zero error has occurred. If the zero of the vernier calipers or vernier scale basically is on the left hand side of zero of the main scale, a negative zero error is said to occur. Technically speaking, errors will measure something wrong, so algebraically always it is subtracted. The word algebraically is important here. This also I have told you yesterday. And additionally, one more thing I have told you yesterday, that the positive zero error is what? Subtracted, because it will be measuring more than the required. So what I had written the expression? I had written the expression as main scale reading plus the coinciding division, that is n, multiplied by least count, and this has to be subtracted, minus, that means whatever value will come, this is called as correction. This is called as correction. For which one? Positive zero error. So correction is negative. So suppose this value has come 0.35 and your observed reading or observed diameter has come 2.37 centimeter. Okay, suppose it has come like this, then we will write here one more thing, corrected diameter. Corrected diameter will be what? Corrected diameter if the error is positive, that means if positive zero error is occurring, that means if the zero of the vernier scale is on the right hand side of the zero of the main scale, then what will happen? Corrected diameter will be 2.37 minus 0.35. I have taken it on my own so that you can understand what exactly has to be done. See, theory portion you had understood what is zero error, what is positive zero error, but what exactly we have to do if an error occurs, because you cannot throw the instrument only. So considering and knowing the error beforehand only, when we are finishing the experiment of measuring the external diameter or internal diameter of something, then we can be very sure that yes, there is a zero error and that error has to be also considered while giving the final value. So 0.35 is what? 2.02 centimeter. So this is called as corrected reading. This is observed. Observed means that you are finding with the natural, means the not natural but say the formula, that the main scale reading plus n into least count. That is the way it has to be done. So that's what it has said. The quantity has to be subtracted. So I think so this completes this positive zero error. Now negative zero error. And children, see, it is important to note down that the coinciding division you must consider. The coinciding division you must consider while calculating the error, because coinciding division into least count plus main scale reading will give you what? The corrected value. Now the B part gives negative zero error. Negative zero error. See, as regards negative zero error, what I have said, when the zero of the main scale So this is the zero of the main scale. This is the main scale. This is the vernier scale. Now negative zero error means the zero of the vernier scale will lie here, left hand side. Okay. So zero of the vernier scale will lie on the left of the zero of the main scale. So it is called as what? Condition of negative zero error. Okay. Now, so like here, zero error is negative. Zero error, this you write in the copy. Zero error is negative. Negative when zero error is negative when then zero of vernier scale, zero of vernier scale lies to the left of zero of main scale. That means the zero of the vernier scale lies to the left of the zero of the main scale. Then only, so question may ask, what is zero error? Explain the types of zero error. So there can be positive and negative, and don't think so that this positive and negative zero errors are for vernier calipers only. No, it extends to the screw gauge, that is the micrometer also. Only thing is that the condition will be different, because in the micrometer screw gauge there is circular scale. Okay, there is circular scale. There is no vernier scale, there is circular scale. So main scale 0 and circular scale 0 will not be coinciding. So there is a circular scale is there, so that we will consider when you study that. Now, what about correction? What about correction? Let me wrap this portion and tell about correction. So, correction. Correction means if an error is there, how will you correct that? What method you will use here? So the formula remains the same, but one thing is there. See which division is coinciding. So if see here, so for correction, first calculate the main scale reading. And what else? See, it is saying to find the zero error in this case, proceed as described. Imagine main scale extended to the negative side, that is the left of 0. If the 0 of vernier scale is to be right on the first negative of the main scale is equal to n equal to -1. That means what? That means -0.1 centimeter. If nth vernier scale division considers any MSD, then 0 equal to n plus n into VC, which comes out to be negative. So if there is, now see that telling one thing, that put the negative. That means since the vernier scale is left of this, so what we can say about the main scale reading? Main scale reading will be negative. That is what it's saying. So if the 0 of vernier scale is to be right of the first negative of 0 of main scale, then main scale reading equal to n equal to -1. So under this condition, This is 5 mm. Okay. And you already know that there are 10 divisions in total for the vernier scale. That means what? Here they are saying the MSR will be what? Negative. That means minus n. And see, they are taking one condition. They have taken one condition that imagine the main scale extend to the negative side, to the left of 0, the 0 1 scale is to the right of first negative. So if the 0 of the vernier scale is to the left of that, then the main scale reading is what? Minus 1. So n equal to what? Minus 1 mm. That means what? Minus 0.1 centimeter. Then what next we have to see? You have to check that which division is coinciding. Suppose here 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Suppose fourth division is coinciding. So what will be the n equal to what? N is called as the coinciding division. Coinciding division, that is called fourth division. Least count, you already know what is the least count? 0.01 centimeter. Considering this, what is the correction then? Correction will be equal to minus n plus n into least count. Yes or no? So what will be here as per? Now this is example, sample case. So what will be what? Minus 0.1 plus fourth division is coinciding, 4 into 0.01. That means minus 0.1 plus 0.04. So totally the value come negative. Yes or no? So 1.0, that means 10 minus 4 is 6. And 1 is 0, so 0.06 minus of 0.06 has come. Now this is the correction. Now what we have to do to get the correct reading, this quantity has to be added to the observed reading. Now this is you have got minus 0.06 centimeter. Now whatever thing is coming, suppose observed reading, observed diameter is how much? 2.32 centimeter has come. Now since the error is negative, it must be measuring less than what the correct reading will be. So we write here corrected diameter will be is equal to 2.32 plus 0.06. That means 2.38 centimeter. Have you got my point? That means in the case of when the error was positive, you are subtracting from the observed diameter, and when the error is negative, the value we are adding to the observed diameter. You will understand in more details when you are doing the questions or some numericals, and there are enough numericals given here. I will be solving all of them for you. And see, this checkpoint 2 is given in that numericals given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numericals are there and 3, 4 short examples are there. All these short examples and numericals will be taken up. Now this is complete. That means now it is easy, or we can say now complete information about vernier calipers you have got. Few articles like reading a vernier scale is given, or measuring with the vernier scale is given. This process also is there, but still you have to understand between how to measure something. Little bit hint I will give you about this also, how to take up that. Suppose some object you have put here between the jaws, and see, we are taking the value of the main scale with the help of 0 of the main scale, the vernier scale only. Okay, so already one main scale is given. Now see here, where is the 0? So this is the main scale and this is the vernier scale. Let me draw it first. There is some value. Here is a vernier scale. Divisions are there. Okay, like this. Now suppose it is 1 centimeter. I am taking a part of it. Suppose this is 1. Then what? There are divisions. This is your 0 of what? Vernier scale. Now see here, suppose this 0 of vernier scale is lying between. Now see, lying between the two readings of the main scale. There is 0 here, na? Okay. And see, every small division, how much value? 0.1 centimeter. So can I say this will be 1.1? This will be what? 0.2. Now, what is the main scale reading? How to take main scale reading here? So see, we have taken the 0 of vernier scale. Now, whatever value is the lower value, see here, since the vernier 0 is between 0.1 and 0.2, we will take the lesser value. So here main scale reading will be what? Since 1 centimeter is already here, 1.1 centimeter. We will take that. Okay. Every value is this. And see, then one more thing. Then suppose here the divisions are there. First division, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the sixth division. I will intentionally draw sixth. So what is the meaning of this one? This means the coinciding division. That means which division of, see, 10 divisions are there in vernier caliper. So which division is coinciding of the, which division of the vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale? So sixth division. So coinciding division is what? Sixth division. Least count you already know by the formula only. It will be what? 0.01. But see here, question to question least count may change also. As of now, we consider least count as 0.01 centimeter only. So what will be observed diameter? Observed diameter will be main scale reading plus coinciding division into least count. That means 1.1 plus 6 into 0.01. That means 1.16 centimeter. That will be the observed reading. And if error is there, we will do correction also. I think so you understood this thing. We will go in more details. This is just a hint I have given before we start that topic. For which one? This thing is regarding reading. Reading main scale. Not main scale means vernier scale basically. Reading a vernier scale, not main scale. Because as a whole the instrument is vernier caliper only. So few things you must have. First thing is the coinciding division, other is the least count, then main scale reading. So now you must have understood that by the position of the vernier caliper 0 means by the position of 0 of vernier scale only we are deciding the main scale reading. See, if the main scale reading is between, if the 0 of vernier is between two readings, the lower value take. Okay. More conditions are there, we'll understand better by the numericals.